So ideally, if you see, Azure Pipeline supports both continuous integration, which is CI, and also continuous delivery. So this ensures we build, test, and deliver the code to the required destinations. All right. So here, so in the last video, we were focusing on CI part. So where it was told that we have two approaches. First, for enabling CI, for developing and utilizing CI pipelines, we will go for build pipelines. Right, we understood what is CI there. So here let's understand what is CD, right? See, basically, let's dive into CD part now. So CD stands for, one is continuous delivery and the other is continuous deployment. So there is a very simple change. There is a lot of text on the slide, but I just want to highlight about this in a simple a mechanism where you will get into, right? So we have continuous delivery and continuous deployment, right? So continuous delivery is nothing but the moment we build the software, test it, and we ensure that particular product is ready to go to the desired users, right? So that desired users can utilize it, right? So if the process is actually a manual decision of the deployment, meaning we tested the code, we get a final artifact, right? Artifact in the sense final product. So that we need to supply to the customers. So this process, it might be customers, it might be any of the test users, okay, maybe internal team of the organization, where before sending it to the customer, we should test it firstly. Many of the target audience will be there, so to anybody. So we'll be having different environments like development environment, test, pre-production, production, kind of that, right? So production is the one where customers will be using lively. So here I'm just talking about continuous delivery as a process. The moment we get an artifact, so consider this is an artifact, so to deliver it to the required targeted audience, right? So if the process involves the manual intervention here, so this is continuous delivery. So in case we have artifact here and it is automatically delivered to the targeted audience in complete automated fashion, wherein there is no manual intervention is required, no human effort is required in middle. So that goes with continuous deployment. All right. So here, when we talk about the Azure DevOps ADO portal to work with Azure pipelines, right? So here, when we go to Azure DevOps organization, you can search if you're not able to find on the services. So here, select my Azure DevOps organizations. And here, directly, so in the previous video I have created an organization which is SSP Solutions. So selected, this is our project within that organization. This is the organization, this is the organization, and this is the project, right? So if you go pipelines here, see, we simply have pipelines. So this is all about CI pipelines. So where to enable CD pipelines, so release pipelines, so go to organization settings. So it will not be enabled by default. So go to, in the left pane under pipelines, select settings. All right, so here scroll down. Yeah, so we have something like disable creation of classic release pipeline, something like that, right? So you can just this is toggle on, meaning it is disabled. So let's enable this, keep it off, and then go back to your organization and project and go to pipelines. Here you would be able to see now releases. All right, so here you can actually create your CD pipelines. Okay, and CD, understand this, make a sense out of it, where CD is like it depends on the requirement and the decision makers, whether we are going for continuous delivery or continuous deployment. anyways, right, the best practice is we will not be implementing continuous deployment, which is completely automated workflow to deliver the final product to the required targeted audience on the production environments. Production environment is all about the live environments which will be utilized by the customers. All right. Yes. Yeah. Thank you.